Hey Peace Pets, Quasi here and I'm back with another video guys. So sorry that it started halfway through the video. I don't know why I did that, probably my storage, so that kind of sucks, but that's alright. Also, by the way guys, sorry for this ghastly unicorn upload, but they said to, in AG there's a competition when you design your own pets, so I'm like, hey, why not give it a try?